Skincare and lipstick? Yes, believe it or not, the Lancome Idole Squalane-12 Butter Glow Lipstick has amazing skincare ingredients, and no other lipstick on the market has ever put as many skincare ingredients in their lipstick as this new Lancome. You guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the amazing benefits, the ingredients, my shopping trip coming up in this next clip that shows you all the shade ranges and how I chose my perfect color for fall and winter. You guys, this is amazing. Stay tuned. I've got all the details. Hello ladies, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and we are at our local Lancome counter. I have got to share with you the newest in the lipsticks is the Idole Squalane-12 Butter Glow Lipstick. It's glowy lip balm, instant color and shine with 12% squalene, up to 24-hour hydration. Just look at the range of shades. We've got, look at that, would be such an awesome pink for summer, ladies. And all of these, and they are designed to match with the lip liner and shapers from Idole. They are creamy matte lip liners, waterproof, up to 8 hours of wear, and you actually have to take makeup remover to get these off. So that is beyond amazing. But look at some of these colors. Ooh, that would be an awesome winter color. Look at that shade. That would be an amazing shade for winter. And this is buttercream, 12% squalane. If you guys know, the Lancome products are famous for their squalane. This is the one I mentioned that would be perfect for summer. That's more of just a gloss, I believe. Let's see if we can find out another shade that would be perfect. Let's see this one. Oh, yes. See how the pink and the light, it's just like glowy and moisturized, automatic. And it is like skincare for your lips. How wonderful is that? And each of these liners are designed, like I said, to go with each of the lipsticks. So when you take the liner, oh, they glide on so smoothly. And these liners will stay up to 8 hours, ladies, 8 hours before you have to take them off with a makeup remover. Let's try the darker shade. Let's see how that lip liner, oh wow, that's like a perfect match. So luxurious. The squalane, you can totally tell that it is an amazing product. And the ingredients, just listen to this list. Number 1, hyaluronic acid, which is the most hydrating thing could ever be in any kind of skincare. Yes, is in this lipstick. Shea butter, mango seed butter, squalane, and vitamin E. What a power punch of skincare ingredients in this amazing lipstick. Okay, now I'm going to test the Mahogany Mauve lip liner and lip shade that I chose, but you know at the Lancome counter, you can't actually test it on your lips. You can swatch it on your hand, but some counters do have the little brushes where they will dab the top of the lipstick and you can test it there, and then they alcohol everything and sanitize it after you're finished. But I really haven't tried this, so we're going to see. Now, this is the lip liner that is also Mahogany Mauve. You guys start at the Cupid's bow and go out, V, Cupid bow out, center, lip and out, center lip and out, and then rim. Wow. I think that is really amazing. It is so smoothing. This is the lip liner I just applied. It is amazing. It glides so smoothly. It just rolls across your lips and it doesn't catch and pull like a lot of the lip liners do. You can definitely tell there are hydrating ingredients in the lip liner as well. But now we're gonna fill in with the lipstick. Oh yes. Now that is a sexy color. Oh my gosh. And the lip liner, you really can't even tell because it's such a perfect match. But you know, the lip liners are supposed to keep your lip shade from bleeding or smearing or getting feathery. And it's amazing. And the product review for the Lancome Idole Squalane-12 Butter Glow Lipstick, of course, it is amazing. I can tell it's already moisturized my lips. You guys, I highly recommend to go to your Lancome counter and try out one of these most amazing lipsticks because your lips will thank you. It's definitely skincare for your lips. And you guys, if you want to take advantage of my free mini course, How to Get Free Makeup and Skincare All Year, it's on the website. The $27 that I charge for this course, you will get far more benefit and far more free makeup and skincare than the $27 that the course cost. But you guys, I love you always. Much love.